Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Lasko heater red light blinking, sensor, mode and safety reset guide. Fix 1 is reset the heater. Turn the heater off, unplug it from the wall outlet, then wait 10 to 15 minutes. Plug it back in and turn it on. Second one is check for overheating. Make sure nothing is blocking the front or back vents, then move to heater at least 3 feet away from furniture, containers or wall. Then let the heater cool completely before turning it back on. Third one is perform a full power reset. Turn the heater off, then unplug it for 30 minutes. Then plug it back into the wall outlet, then turn it on and check if blinking light has stopped. Fourth one is clean the air vent. Unplug the heater, use a vacuum with a brush attachment to clean the air intake and exhaust vent. Then remove any dust or lint around the heater. Plug it back in and test it. Last one is check for safety sensor. Make sure the heater is standing upright on a flat surface, then restart the heater. Thanks for watching.